Your iPhone stores a lot of messages, but how to find really old ones? I'll show you how to easily search and view old messages on your iPhone. Watch to the end and you will learn a trick to make it even easier. For that, the first way is of course to open your Messages app, and in the list just start scrolling down to find your very first message in this list. But if you have a lot of chats, then there is a few other options. So go ahead and open Settings. Here search for the Messages app. And now go in Message History. So here you would need to find Message History, go in Keep Messages and make sure to set Forever to be able to see all of your old messages in this list. Now, if you don't remember much about the person to whom you sent this message, but you remember some keywords, then you can go back in Messages, tap on Search bar, and enter this keyword, and you will see all of the similar results in this field. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.